Hi everyone, today I'm going to look at playing Budapest by Ezra on ukulele. The song is in F major originally, but we're going to transpose it to C so that it's ukulele friendly. However, for anybody who wants to, there's an F major version linked below in the same document. The only chords used in Budapest, as with Yellow previously, are the primary chords 1, 4 and 5. So in C major, the chords that we use are C, F and G. The strumming pattern for Budapest is down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. The trick to effective strumming is making sure that your hand is constantly moving in a pendulum type motion. Let's now have a look at verse 1. There are 4 bars of C major, then 2 bars of F major, then 2 bars of C major, before proceeding on to verse 2. Let's play through. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. F. C. In verse 2, there's a very similar chord structure, but on top of that we have a counter melody, which I've put on an ossia staff above the ukulele tab. I'll quickly play through the chord progression and then we'll look in detail at the counter melody. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. F is coming up. C. Back to F. C. The counter melody that occurs in the original track happens on a keyboard or a synthesizer, and it sounds like this. So as a reminder on how we read ukulele tab, the top line going across the page is considered string 1. Therefore, this counter melody begins on string 1, fret 3. The rhythm is a dotted crotchet, followed by a quaver tied to a crotchet, followed by a crotchet on 4. So the rhythm is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's have a go of playing it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's have a go with the next line after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lastly, we're going to look at the chorus. The chorus begins on chord 5 in C major, which is G, and the pacing of the chords moves a little bit quicker in the chorus. So just playing the chords of the chorus for now. After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, F, C, G again, F, C, and the very last thing we're going to look at is the fancy bit in the chorus, which goes something like this. So the so-called fancy bit happens in bars 3 and 4 of the chorus and on that C major chord. what I am doing is playing a staccato C major for crotchet on beat 1. And then we have this melodic motif or melodic theme that occurs in the chorus. And it goes like this. So we've semiquavers involved. The rhythm is 1, 2, and a 3 and 4. 1, 2, and a 3 and 4. The notes themselves are simple enough. We start on the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and we play 3 consecutive notes singularly. So on my picking hand, I'm ensuring that I'm playing the same string as I'm pressing down on my fretboard hand. So we pluck 3 times the 2nd string. Then I move my 3rd finger off and I put my 1st finger on the 1st fret, play that once, and then I play an open string on the 2nd. So all happening on the 2nd string. Really slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's it. I hope you have fun trying to learn this song on ukulele. A reminder that all of the free resources are linked below in the Google Drive folder. If you have any questions at all, please leave a comment, and do like, share and subscribe for more of the same shortly. Thanks for watching.